Hi, I'm Nesh. Here's another new video. I came to see you today. So, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful lotus flower. So, what do we need to make it? We need paper papers and glue. Okay, let's start. First take square A4 paper and fold it like this. Then fold the all four in it like this. Again fold all four in. Now turn it over and fold all four like this. Now we are looking how to flower petals. It's a bit difficult, but it's okay. I will show you how to make. Now we have finished making the main petals. Then let's see how to fold the other petals. It's little hard, but so take a good look at how to make it. Okay, now we have finished making the basic of the lotus flower. Here it is. Now let's make some flower pollen. For that take an A4 strip like this and fold it like this and cut it like this as video. Then make it the way I make it. Now we have finished making pollen. Then stick in the middle of the flower. So here are the lotus flowers made that way. So you can make beautiful lotus flowers like this at home. Well, I will see you another day with a new video. If you want to stay with me, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share my channel. Thank you so much.